What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am back at Dollaree. It's been a few weeks since I've been here, so I'm always happy to come back to some of my favorite locations. We have lots of the little pedicure sets, all different colors. You get the clippers, the scrubbers, the separators, the pumice stone. We have, looks like about 4 different colors. And it is hot today. You guys, it's like 95. Super, super hot. Ooh, the Revlon Flesh are here too. They were in my other store last week. You guys know these go for $18 in Ulta. It looks like we have a few different shades. I bought one, but I didn't try it yet. And then the Color Sensational lipsticks by Maybelline are still here. I think this one might be different, is it? So we have this shade. And yes, those two are different. So it looks like we have about 4 shades. Maybe 5. Or 6. I just keep finding more. The clear mascaras are here. And today when I was in Dollar General, I saw the Maybelline pink and green mascara. You guys know the packaging, the classic one. They actually came out with a clear now too. A whole bunch of these. And then the infallible paints are still here. These are pretty pricey elsewhere. I wonder if we have anything else in here. More of the Flesh sticks. It could be a concealer stick. It could be a contour, depending upon what shade you choose. Oh, and the face masks are still here as well. Blue, camo, the 10 packs. I bought the 10 packs of black and gray a few weeks back, and my kids and I really like them. The Jade facial rollers are still here. The little contour brushes are here. Let's see what we have over here. Let's see if we have anything new behind us. These are still here and really, really cute. These are the flashing toothbrushes, the 1-minute timer, the 2-minute timers. And then we have the little light up ones here. These also flash for 2 minutes. We have lots of cute toothbrushes, like usual. And then the little battery powered toothbrushes. Oh, and this is my first time seeing the refills. They actually come with refills. I think I'm gonna get a pack of the refills because Birdy's been using these lately. Yeah, I'll get that. It's not the best toothbrush in the world, but I think she likes it all right. The Stop Grinding Plackers kit. The little bristle picks by Dentec are here. You get 100 in a bag. These ones have the little lids, but you only get 4 in a pack. The Reach is really, really good if you've never tried it. We have a 3-pack of hand sanitizing wipes. Perfect for summer and traveling. All the little pedicure sets. We have a bunch of shower caps too. They're the thin ones though. Ooh, and we have new eye masks or eye pillows, whatever you want to call them. And a lot more multi-packs of the hand wipes. This one is coconut. This one is citrus. This is a variety pack. We have fresh scent, grapefruit, and berry. So 3 cents in a pack. Really, really nice. This one is cucumber, but it's just 2 big multi-packs. Those are nice. You get a nice little variety. And then the Barbasol ear and nose trimmers are still here. Okay, what's new over here? I think the gas relief is new. That's mint flavor, 36 in a bottle. We have eye drops. Anything else? Ibuprofen. Only 10 in a box. 6 in a box. I bought some of this, but I just put it with the stash. 24 in a pack. And this is for back and body. Relieves backaches and muscle aches and pains. We have a leaves, 6 in a box. Let's go look at some hair stuff real quick.
I got a big thing of pine balloons.
Oh, wait a minute. I think these are new. I think these are new. They feel really nice too. Really, really nice. These are definitely brand new. Tons of Bolero stuff. These are cute though, you guys. Just a really nice compact scrubby purple, sort of a burgundy, a brown. I think just the 3 colors.
Next time. Next time. Of course, next time. Daddy or Abel or Zoe. Abel. Let's go.
Abel, let's go.
The tissues. Abel, where you at?
The little 2-in-1 brush and comb set.
All right, let's go to the cash register. I'll think about that. Oh, I need to buy one. Look at this. I need to buy this. You need this. Yeah.
These are back for blonde hair or dirty blonde. The Ouchless Goodies. 15 in a pack. That's the economy pack. Pearls. More pearls. You guys already know how I feel about the pearls. And I think some of these are new too. These are little value packs of socks. Dogs. Owls. Those are cute. These are really cute. Aw, little, are those kitties? Where are those? More dogs. Loading dad jokes. So true. I should get one of these for my dad. Loading dad jokes. That would be funny. My dad is the guy that tells dad jokes. Like, he's that guy. You know, and they're really dad jokes. That's funny. Looks like we have a lot of bags over here. I think some of them are new. Little shopping bags. You are possum, hibiscus, sort of an eco print, tropical shells. These are all by Juncture and they have the little front pocket. Some of them do. That one is probably one of the biggest ones. Oh, and even more over here. More Father's Day socks. Yeah, you guys, I think that's it for this video. We have a lot to discover here in Dalry. I can't wait to see what else is new for the week. What a pretty little package. Pearl crayons. Aw. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed coming along, hit that like button. Let me know you enjoyed hanging out with me. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.